Hi friends, this is tech expert Neil and you are watching HowISolve.com. In today's video, I'll show you how you can take screenshots in Windows 11. Windows 11 has made it quite easy to take screenshots, so without wasting much time, let's get started. To take a screenshot in Windows 11, the same way like you did in Windows 10, you can do the same thing. Like you can press the keyboard shortcut of print screen, and what that does is it simply copies the screen into the clipboard, and then you have to go in some paint app. You can use the default paint app or basically any photo editor, and you can paste that. So we can simply press the Control V button, and the screenshot that we copied using the print screen key will be pasted in the image editor. So in my case, I'm using the default paint application. You can see you can now use the default paint cropping feature to crop it up. But this is the old way of doing things. In Windows 11, there is a dedicated app for taking screenshot, and that app's name is Snipping tool. And now we'll see how to use that tool. So we'll close the paint, click don't save, and now to open Snipping tool, the default shortcut key is Windows Shift plus S, that is S for screenshot. So Windows Shift and S. To change the keyboard shortcut of the snipping tool, simply click on the search icon over here and type print screen. And in settings, you will see use the print screen to launch the screen snipping. Click on this, and this will bring you to this particular keyboard accessibility setting. And over here, you can see use the print screen button to open screen snipping. Turn this feature on, and once you do this, now you can simply press the keyboard shortcut of print screen and it will open up the snipping tool. So you don't need to type the long shortcut of Windows Shift plus S. And you can see this is the snipping tool. So as you can see at the top, there are different modes for operating this tool. The default mode is the rectangular snip. So in this, if we want to take a screenshot, we have to highlight that by dragging the mouse, and a rectangular area will get highlighted, and that particular area we can take a screenshot of. Like suppose I want to take the screenshot of this particular background image where this particular design is present. So we can just drag the mouse and create a rectangle, just highlighting this part, and just leave the mouse. And you can see this particular screenshot has been taken and it has already been saved. So we can just click it. The snipping tool will open up and this will provide you the image that we just now took the screenshot of. So this is one of the modes. Let's see what all other modes are available. We will again press the keyboard shortcut, that is Windows Shift S. You can see the other mode is Freeform Snip. In this we can draw any irregular figure and that particular area will get snipped off. Like suppose we want to take the screenshot of this edge icon and let's say this VLC icon like this, and you can see this irregular figure got snipped off like a screenshot. Now let's see the other modes. And the other mode, one is the window mode, and this mode requires a window to be open. We'll open one program like Chrome. Okay, so let's say we want to take a screenshot of just a particular program, that is just one single window. In that case, this window mode helps a lot. So we want to take the screenshot of Google Chrome only. So in that case, you just click on the program which you want to take a screenshot of. In my case, it is Google Chrome. So I'll just click on this and you can see it just took the screenshot of the Chrome window. No, the application image will be present. So like suppose if we open multiple windows, like just want to take a screenshot of this PC. So we'll again open up the snipping tool, and in the window mode, just bring your mouse to the window which you want to take a screenshot of. Microsoft has made it quite intuitive. You can see when you drag the mouse over a particular window, this window gets highlighted and the back window gets shaded. So that way you will know what exactly the screenshot is being taken of. So in my case, it will be this PC, and you click on it and the screenshot is taken. And all these screenshots that I have taken is already been saved. We'll check that out. But before we do that, we'll just see the last snipping mode. That is a normal mode, which we used to do with the print screen button. Basically, it will take the screenshot of the entire monitor irrespective of the windows opened, irrespective of the area. You don't have to select any area. It will just take the screenshot of the entire window, and then you can later on edit the screenshot. So this is the normal mode, and once you click it, it simply takes the screenshot, and you can see this is how the screenshot looks. And this snipping tool not only provides these 4 modes, this tool also has got inbuilt some editing features, and you can see there are several highlighting options available, pens are available. So like say you can change the color of the pen, change the size of the pen. Let's see, you can see this. I'm not a very great doodler, but anything you can type. If you want to point to something, you can create an arrow. If you want to highlight, that feature is also available, and you can again change the color. Like see, this is an highlighter. An eraser is there to erase the things you made, and there are several rulers available for, I don't know, if you want to draw a particular straight line or something like that. I think so, not sure. And this is okay, this is a touch writing. If you've got a touch screen, you can use a touch screen to easily make any edits, but I don't have a touch screen. Then there's also a feature of cropping. So if you want to crop the image to a particular area, you can do that using this tool. You do not require any image editor, and you can then save this image. You can decide where you want to save it, but the default location for the saving these images is in the pictures screenshot folder. I'll show you the screenshots that we have already taken, and we'll go to that location, pictures, in screenshots, and you can see all the screenshots that we took are saved over here. So that's how you take a screenshot in Windows 11. I hope friends you like this video. If yes, smack that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get notified as soon as we release a new video. This is Neil signing off. Bye bye.